Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change language on Taobao application. So if you have downloaded the Taobao application and everything's showing up in Chinese, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I will show you how to change language on Taobao app, or at least make it easier to navigate. Let's get started. So first, it's important to note that the Taobao application does not have a built-in English language option. It is designed primarily for Chinese users. So unfortunately, you won't find a language setting that switches the app entirely to English. If you're seeing any videos that explains that you can do this, that video is fake. But don't click away just yet. There are a few easy workarounds that will help you use the application in English or at least understand it better. So, one of the best solutions is using the Google Translator application. Here's how you can do that. So first of all, open the Taobao application. Now, what you can do is simply take a screenshot of the Taobao application's interface, then open Google Translate. You can head over to Play Store, search for Translate, then install Google Translate, open Google Translate, and you can navigate to camera, then choose the screenshot and choose the first language as Chinese and choose the second language as English or any language you want. And as you can see, it instantly translated the app's interface into English. Now I can see what's in English and navigate accordingly. Or if you have your mobile phone updated to the latest version, what you can do is use the Google AI feature if it's available. Just press and hold the mid button and choose the translate icon, and this will translate the app's interface in real time. I will navigate to any page that I want to translate. I will hold down the mid button and choose the Google Translate icon. And as you can see, it just translated this instantly. So this works great if you're browsing and need help understanding specific sections of the app. What you can also do is use Taobao on your PC, then open Google Translate application. After opening the application, you can click on the camera icon and choose to focus your camera on your laptop's screen. Click a picture of that screen and it will instantly translate the language from Chinese to English. As you can see, it was pretty simple. Also, if you prefer a more consistent English experience, here's a better method. Simply navigate to www.taobao.com on your PC. Then if you're using Google Chrome or any of the browser, I'm using Edge, just navigate to Taobao, right click anywhere on the website and choose Translate to English. When you click on this button, it will instantly translate the UI of the website into English and you'll be easily able to navigate through the website. So the simple way is just right clicking and choosing Translate to English, and Chrome or Microsoft Edge will auto-translate most of the site, allowing you to shop and browse more easily. This won't work inside the app, but it's great if you're using a browser. Now, if the language barrier is still too much of a hassle, here's an alternative. Try AliExpress. It's owned by the same company as Taobao, has similar products and supports English and international shipping. It may not have all the same sellers, but it's much easier to use if you don't read Chinese. Also, I have a quick reminder. If you're finding this video useful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Now, I have some bonus tips for you. If you're on Android phone, some models offer a built-in screen translation feature. Just swipe down on your screen, tap the translate option and the entire page will be translated automatically. It works especially well on Xiaomi, Samsung or phones with Google Lens integration. So while you can't fully change the Taobao application's language to English, these workarounds make it much easier to navigate and shop without understanding Chinese. Let me know in the comments if you need help with a specific part of the app. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.